What's up, guys? You're watching Rush and Stace here for the travel vlogs. We're in Hawaii today at the local Zoomies. Make sure you subscribe.
Morning, everyone.
Morning. We slept for 12 hours.
I was up in the middle of the night. She slept for 12 hours.
It doesn't look like it though. I still feel exhausted.
It's 10 past 8 now. We're about to head out for our day. We're gonna go have breakfast at iHOP. It's right below our hotel. And we're gonna then have a quick meal and then go pick up our hire car. Hoping to head to Paradise Cove and do some snorkeling today, which would be really, really fun.
We're gonna explore the island with our car, hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah.
In the short amount of time that we've got it today, but it's better than nothing. I've missed this. For us, visiting iHOP is definitely on the list of things you have to do whenever coming to anywhere in the US, including Hawaii. So we're in some sort of shopping centre right now that has living trees inside. How cool.
We're on!
Let's go! Stacey will be the one driving. As you can see, we're already having some difficulties.
It literally
Have you got your foot on the brake?
Yeah.
Then I think the engine's probably not on. Update, the engine was in fact not on. We are go. The right side of the road is the side that we drive on in the US.
We've made it to Paradise Cove. Just walking down now. We stopped off at Walmart and bought some snorkel gear. Hopefully it's a good investment. Welcome to Paradise Cove.
We just had a really nice time at Paradise Cove. It was really nice because there's not heaps of people there, and I think that's because the car park, which we're in now, literally only has 11 places. So annoying when you're trying to find a park, but really nice when you get there because not many people there, and that's probably best for the turtles. They probably don't like to be crowded around by heaps of tourists.
It's a really nice spot. Nice little hidden gem. There weren't actually many people there. A few turtles. People tend to crowd the turtles, which isn't great, but for the most part people were respectful. No one was touching them.
Yeah.
And it was, yeah, cool. Even besides the turtles, the snorkeling was really good. Lots of fish.
Now we're going to Aulani because why not? We're 3 minutes away. Let's go see some Disney stuff.
Let's get some Disney merch.
Where are your clothes? Where are your clothes?
Guys, my top's too wet and my t-shirt was getting really like sticky on me, so I'm driving in the nude. Just top, with my bathing top on.
How cool is Aulani?
I think I'm gonna start collecting pins. I'm thinking every time we go to something Disney, I'll get a pin.
Stace is thinking about getting this shirt.
I feel like it gives off Hawaiian vibes. I'm dressed not appropriate for the weather at the moment. We knew it was meant to be storming this week. I was really hoping it would be like a 10-minute storm and then it would disappear, but it's probably been about 20 or so minutes. It took us a while to get the car back. It was about an hour drive because it was torrential rain.
Why do you do this?
And then I think it probably took us about 20 minutes to find the entrance to the car park. You had to park the car.
It was a stressful afternoon, but we're back at the International Marketplace and we're doing a little bit of shopping. We'll show you our haul when we get back to the hotel.
I've had a good day, let me tell you.
Had a very good day, guys.
It's been a good one.
No complaints from her.
No. Guys, I just bought a jacket. Am I allowed to buy another one?
To the Cheesecake Factory really close to Waikiki Beach. We have ordered a feast and I was, in my opinion, quite tame, but Stace has been out of control of this trip, as you'll see in the future haul that I'm sure she'll put up of all the things that she bought just today. I had the right idea. We had the idea of only ordering appetizers and sharing. We ordered 3 appetizers. We've gone with a bit of a Mexican theme. We're going to be in a lot of trouble, and the tradition of ordering cheesecake at the end, it will be upholded. Whether they get eaten probably won't happen, which is in itself also upholding the tradition of not finishing the cheesecake. Hey guys, I have an announcement and you're the first to hear. Yes, I am expecting
A little Cheesecake Factory baby.
This is my food, baby. We're finally back at the hotel and we are exhausted. I can probably take that off now. That hat I call my Scary Movie 3 hat because every time I look at it, I feel like it gets bigger and bigger. It was a pretty eventful day, but I think successful, and Stace is now going to show us everything that she bought. Alright, Stace, show us what you bought.
Okay, so it's now 8 PM. We're back in the room. We've settled for the night. And it's time to show you my haul.
Now really settle down, guys, because there's a lot to be seen here. Stace went crazy.
Guys, I haven't been on a holiday in 2 years. I think I'm allowed. Sorry about the lighting. For some reason our hotel room doesn't have a light. It's just got lamps. So this is from the ABC store. If you've been to Hawaii, they're everywhere. They're kind of like a convenience store, but they also have heaps of souvenirs. So when I googled things to do in Hawaii, someone said you have to go to the ABC store. So we went. We purchased. So I got this t-shirt, it just says Aloha Hawaii. And then Rosh got this one, but she's since given it to me. It's still to debate who has ownership. And they were 2 for $30, so that worked out well. And obviously today we went to Aulani. I felt a bit dodgy buying Aulani souvenirs when we didn't stay at Aulani, but we visited, so it's a memory. I bought this pin. So as of today, I've decided that each time we go to a Disney park or a Disney resort, I'm gonna get a pin just as a little memory of all the places we've stayed at. So that one I got Minnie. There was a Mickey one, but I don't know. Minnie. Okay. I then got this long sleeve top. So on the front it's pretty plain. It just says, you know, Aulani. And then on the back is a bigger logo. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's kind of surfer vibes and it's also a bit of Aulani merchandise. I then, because I'm obsessed with puzzles, bought this puzzle. So it's something from Aulani, it's something Christmas from Aulani, and it's a puzzle. So it's a win-win-win. And we asked because we know from the Christmas song the phrase is Mele Kaliki Maka is Merry Christmas. So we asked what Aloha Kaliki Maka meant, and it's essentially Merry Christmas as well. So we wandered into Abercrombie & Fitch.
And isn't it funny that we're in Hawaii and Stacey's gone wild buying jackets that are for winter?
Well, it is technically winter here. It's funny because last time we went to the US we didn't buy anything from Abercrombie & Fitch. But we both got something today, so I got this jacket. So nice and warm, it was 40% off I think, so
I will definitely be borrowing that one.
Added bonus. Again, because it's winter here. Winter. I also bought this jacket. So this one I bought from a store called Zoomies, which is quite a unique store, but found this jacket. It's khaki and blue is the brand. And again, I thought that was pretty cool.
That's another one I'll be borrowing.
Yeah, right.
I bought this kind of oversized Christmassy type jumper. Like, I really wanted a big kind of knit look sweater that was kind of winter vibes, and I think this kind of suits it. I don't know if it's big enough, but with some skinny leg jeans it might look cool.
Yeah, no, I really like it.
It's really warm, and that's what I bought in Hawaii.
And we also thought we'd do a quick note on what the current restrictions are here in Hawaii, or we are on Oahu. So from what we've seen, you have to be fully vaccinated to enter a restaurant and dine at a restaurant. So there are signs on the doors, and they are pretty vigilant in checking that as well. You have to wear masks in all indoor settings.
And most people are wearing them outside anyway, which is nice.
Yeah, that's not compulsory, it's highly recommended, but particularly in Waikiki, which has got quite a few people around, majority of people tend to be wearing them outside as well, which is great.
So it's like very similar, if not the same, to what's happening in Melbourne right now.
Yeah.
Even though right now there are more cases in Melbourne than Honolulu.
Yeah.
We're scared.
Yes. Anyways, that's it for us from today. We had quite a big day. We were out literally the whole day.
I'm exhausted.
And we've got a very early start tomorrow. We are meant to be doing a snorkeling, dolphin, whale watching tour.
If the weather permits.
Yes, so we are getting picked up at 5:50 in the morning.
You heard that correctly.
But it
5:50 in the
is
morning.
meant to be stormy, so we'll get up, we'll go to our meeting point and hope for the best.
And maybe if it doesn't work, we can go see Spider-Man again.
No. We'll catch you in the next vlog. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.